Hey guys, a few weeks ago I saw the video Building Vitamins Very Safe Park. I was going to recreate it in real life. Have fun. First I thought I'd build a Hot Wheels track, then move on to other stuff in future episodes. It'll probably take 16 hours, but it'll be worth it in the end. For the next 15 minutes of me doing nothing. Hey guys, we're done. Let's test it out. This is very safe. Oh no! Looks like we're gonna have a lot of chaos in this video. Whoa! Here comes our first guest. Uh-oh. Wait a second. Oh no! You definitely won't be missed. Whoa! For misery. More guests are coming. Hey buddy, you're fat. Mind if I put you on this coaster? Or should I say, track of doom? Oh my god! More guests are coming into the park. Oh fuck no! Oh. Looks like you had a really fun time. Oh, looky. Congratulations, Beth. Whoa. Whoopsies. Uh-oh. This has gotta hurt. 15 minutes and this is what we've got. Bye. Have a great weekend.